If you already have franchise territories created, and if you have that data in Excel format, you can simply import that data into AlignMix. The import process is super easy. You drag and drop the zip code to the zip code section. Those zips are assigned to territories. And in this example, we have territories grouped into districts, and districts are grouped into regions. Now, if you're using counties instead of zip codes, the process is exactly the same. You would just need the county FIPS code instead of the zip code here. When we click Next, we get a summary of what's about to be imported. Click Next to get your import goes through, and by clicking Finish, all of your current territories will now appear on the screen. Now, during that import process, you've noticed that I also imported a district assignment. So you can see these are our districts. And then we also have regions. So if your organization goes up to 3 levels of assignment, for example, territories, districts, or regions, you can replicate that exactly the same way here in AlignMix.